Countrymen of Wallachia, we have sacked many countries, many castles. No one can stop us. I, Vlad the Impaler. I'm gonna make this phone call.
Hello?
Lee, this is Vlad the Impaler.
Phone call from the spirit world again, or whatever it is.
Lee, can you hear me?
Sounds like some creepy voices.
Lee, put him down. Put him down. Don't put that spike there. Put him down. Man, fuck Lee. Lee,
Can you tell me your name?
can you hear me, Lee? I am calling from the spirit world.
Am I speaking with Vlad? Say yes or no.
Yes, this is me, Vlad the Impaler. Look, I haven't been around for a while. I was just checking up on you.
Definitely hearing voices. This isn't like before. The static is, but what's coming through it isn't.
Lee,
Tell me what my name is. Tell me my name.
Lee. Lee!